People who don't appreciate the value of the Bible demonstrate a mental disability, which is usually directly or indirectly self-inflicted. The Bible is largely rules and guidelines and parables that, when applied properly, has directly or indirectly reduced the suffering of those who lack in society, brought morality, accurately predicted the eventual consequences of the actions of society, helped bring justice, and it also has helped civilize what we now recognize as the most civilized countries on earth, more than any other teachings earth has had or will have for many years to come. And those who cannot understand or appreciate the greatness of this exhibit red flags for being mentally handicapped to an extent. Even very financially successful people like Bill Gates, who admit he isn't sure about what there is to know about God, does admit that the Bible has rules and ways that are incredibly relevant for society. For anyone to say the Bible is of little worth is like someone telling you that a book that has helped heal lots of people's illnesses is worthless. And if you are sensible, you will realize, when dealing with people like this, that you are usually dealing with people having mental handicaps. People who don't appreciate the Bible and say it's of little worth usually are the same kind of people who would try to take the glory for the work you or others do, and they usually demonstrate an inordinately poor appreciation for the good a caring lover, family member, friend, acquaintance, or you show them. They are usually the same kind of people who would advocate for a society without police, when every rational person knows that a society without police, especially considering human nature as it is today, would prove too troublesome. Because people who don't appreciate the guidelines of the Bible are the same kind of people that usually show poor appreciation for good things and take good things for granted because of their mental incapacity, which usually is directly or indirectly self-inflicted. That's it for now. Join me next time for more mental insights.